Oke, 1, 2, 3.
Hai guys.
Ya, pemain dari PA itu nggak scam ya, itu serius, not scam. Ya,
Hai guys. I'm Dan from Philippines.
ya, introduce
Ya.
yourself.
Ini in mobil, in car.
In car, oke,
Ya,
oke.
ya,
Nanti.
Oke, tapi kalian udah tahu kan guys, dia ini siapa?
Masukin barang dulu.
Pada nanya siapa itu?
Guys.
Itu name, role, what team you're from?
Hi guys, I'm Dan Yambao, but you can call me Dan. I'm from Philippines. My previous team is Smart Omega News and RRQ Kaito, yeah, PH.
Wah, kelas. Oke, oke. What's your experience in PH in the tournament? What have you experienced? Have you been MPL, MDL, apa ya?
I've been on MDL guys, MDL.
MDL only ya.
MDL only.